This was the first sign that I saw for the bathhouse. It's in the tea house, the picture. I'll never forget when Mr. Hori handed me his key for this one. And he said, okay, here. And I'm like, ooh. And then he said, open this door. Guess what? Well, these things I found. I replaced 2 stairs. They were all broken and stuff. But I had to find in-kind wood so you don't see the difference. And there's only 2 of them that were replaced. And then that was underneath the stairs, that old bucket.
So
and that was the old gate.
Most of the repair work you do yourself?
Pretty much.
Wow.
It's getting, yeah, I was doing all the repair work myself. That's how I got it. I thought, huh. I can do it all if I just have enough money to pay the bills, you know, utilities and stuff. Yeah, I've never changed anything in here. That bulb, I think, was changed, and that was it.
So even the lockers, those have been untouched?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, and the advertisements, too, on the top.
Yeah. And the numbers are backwards, because they wrote that way. But it's kind of like a cross of culture and time.
This is a nice touch, too, the 1940s,
yeah.
50s
So
stuff.
everything you see that's got a tag on it like this is documented with the National Treasure. So this is the men's side. This is the travertine that I was talking about, that I've never seen travertine like this. And where on earth did they find it in 1910 to do this? This seems pretty obvious where they would get in, a little smoother. Yeah. And this is, Mr. Hori told me that if you have the right tool to do the job, Jan, you'll never have to hire anybody to do it for you. But they made all their tools. Heft this.
Yeah.
They'll heft that. Nice tool, huh?
Yep.
Never going to wear out.
Not likely.
And this was because the water was so deep and hot. This is the plug, and that fit right there. Boom, 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 like that. And it was right down there. Yeah. This is the ladies. Much smaller. Much smaller. Only little cubicles, no lockers. But and then they had a laundry in here. And this was carpeted and had a sofa, Davenport in it.
When was the last year that this was?
65, I think.
65.
63 or 65.
And it's the last one, that was the last one in the city? That.
Well, when I got that award from the Minister of Foreign Affairs, they said it was the only one left in North America.
Oh, incredible.
And then, some people say it's probably the only one left anywhere, because in Japan they've either destroyed them or made new, remodeled. So they think it might be the only one left in the world, like this. There was a very notable sign painter that was right up the street here. They probably did all these signs. And you see the phone numbers, they started out as 4 numbers. And then as Seattle grew, and then they got prefixes. EA was East, MA was Maine, 93, WE was West Seattle.
Look at these stools. I remember in grade school having stools like that.
Yeah?
In the 1970s.
Well, what they said is that they'd set their kids on the stools and they'd wash them. Everybody had to be really squeaky clean before they got in the bath. Right. And they used these enamel pans to dip the water. Yeah.
So the route would be put your clothes in the locker, come down here, jump in the shower, clean yourself off, and then go into the pool.
Set your cigarette here. Sure glad we got rid of the cigarettes. And these are all off. There you go. Watch your step here. Big step.